Hello, so today we're taking a look at the Under Sink Organizer by Nida Wolf. It's a two-tier kitchen cabinet organizer with sliding storage drawer. And it has a pull-out mesh basket rack and expanded storage space for the cabinet. So you can use this under the bathroom sink, you can use it in your kitchen, and especially for those that have, deep cabinetry rather than have to bend down and reach way back to get something. You can use this and put it inside the cabinetry, and it'll allow you to have easy access to everything. It's made out of carbon steel, which is high quality, and the corners are mitered and they're also welded here as well. And as you see, they use like a flat matte finish on it for durability for the finish, so it doesn't rust in those high moisture areas like the bathroom. This thing's easy to clean, and with the meshing it allows air movement so things don't have a high moisture content within a closed area. So here's the baskets themselves, and then here's the framing. What we'll do is we'll put this together and we will see how well it works. That's nice. Nice product, very sturdy. As you can see, we use this two-tier shelving for our supplements. And what's nice about it is we can see when we're low on something and we can place an order. This is really nice for us and very handy. Now you can also use this like for a spice rack too. And these bottles are fairly heavy, but yet it still slides very smooth.